Go.
Hi guys, Grace here, and today on Now We Get Final Looks, I'm again with
SLTNT.
and today here's how we fix our broken TV.
There's a broken TV, and those are our tools that we're going to fix it with.
And keep in mind, we do have parental supervision right now. It's not recommended to try it at home unless you have like parental supervision. Alright, so you want to go first?
What should I start off with? The hatchet?
Maybe not.
Come on, the hatchet.
Oh, and make sure you have eye protection, hand protection, and feet protection.
Yep. What glasses are? Just funny. You ready? First hit?
Stand me back.
You guys ready? Look at that clean cut! I pulled out real quick. It scared me.
I'm gonna use this.
Go for it.
Oh. I did it! I did the TV! As long as I see it shatter.
That?
Pretty much.
Hey, man, sharper.
Just one
Try
need.
it. This one.
You want me to stab the TV?
Why not? That's a great stab back.
I don't know.
This side. You ready? It kind of went lopsided.
Maybe a little.
Maybe a little.
The end of this hammer.
The pointed end? Oh gosh, I'm saying
Would
that.
that be a bad idea?
Stand back.
Would that be a bad idea, Dennis?
Let's go for it. I think it went lopsided.
Maybe a little. I felt it turn.
We'll try this one.
Not bad.
It's weighted.
Dad, do you want to take a shot?
That's shattered. It's all inside of it.
Oh my gosh, you can see the inside of the TV!
Yep.
Yeah, that TV might just be a little broken right now.
It's a little bit broken.
Just maybe a little. Dad, taking a shot. Dad definitely fixed the TV!
Yeah, I think it's fixed. Let's test it out.
Yep, Dad, you fixed the TV.
Okay, Grace?
Oh!
That shattered the screen, too.
You're gonna try?
It bounced up. That hurt.
It's rubber.
It bounces. It bounced, didn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, that hurt.
Oh, Dennis. That created a crack. Mom.
Oh,
you
wah.
Yeah, but Dad, I think we're really fixing the TV.
Yeah. Hatchet. I love this thing. You ready? Let's slide it. You ready?
Alright, I would see him. Oh!
That was clean cut.
Not the best idea.
No.
Come on, that was glass all over there now.
Yep, now there is. I haven't
Good
tried this.
cut, though.
I haven't tried this one yet.
Same with here. It's good sound. Okay. Baseball bat style with the stick.
Sure, try it. Baseball bat style.
Bat, swing.
I'm trying that. He's only going he ran. That broke a little.
Little. Look at it. That's
We're totally fixing our TV right now.
Yeah. No more hammer. So much fun.
A lightning bug.
Right.
Let's see. Oh, this is the last one I have not tried.
Go for it.
Pointed or
I
flat?
know you did that one.
No, I did the red hammer.
Oh, whatever.
Red hammer pointed in.
Alright, let's go. Javelin.
Alright, standing back!
Javelin. Whoa.
Oh!
I pulled this TV
The
screen
screen's
off
going
the
like that.
side.
Come
Look
here,
at
look. Before try to swing at it. Oh, mom's barefoot.
Oh, yeah.
Here. But yeah, maybe it'll be a. We definitely fixed it, Dennis. Yeah.
Whoa. Hello. Hello.
Dennis, don't pull that up.
Go for something. What's with my stick? I'm cracking the stick so much.
Oh, probably drop one.
Drop one?
Yeah, I think so.
Go over here.
Yeah.
So hit it down.
That was a fail. Hey, Dennis. I crashed it right here.
You guys are at 520.
Okay.
So, you want to take, let's take one more shot each.
Hatchet or stick? That's the real question.
Pretty much.
Oh, stick you a hatchet.
Sure.
Ah, my foot.
You okay?
I hit my foot.
You're alright, then.
Ah, that hurt.
Yeah,
Phone
put
is
your
stick.
stick on the way. This, watch out.
Okay.
I broke a piece of glass. Alright, so
Let's show.
this is how we basically fix our TV. You can't walk because you're barefoot right now.
I say that's a pretty fixed TV, don't you?
Yep, this. So we fixed our TV. We fixed our first TV.
We got HDTV back.
So that's how we fix our TV. To say. Anything else gotta say? Don't forget to go over to his channel and say hi. He is Mr.
Unstable TNT.
I keep forgetting if it's Mr. Unstable TNT or just regular Unstable TNT.
Unstable TNT, link down in the description below.
Pretty much. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how we fix our TV. Bye. You can't shut it off. I'm wearing gloves. I can't shut it off.
There was no blood drawn during this experiment.
No.